What it do, man? It's the kid, Fat Trel, man. And right now, you tune in the rhythm and ambiance. And special shout out to Scripted Comment. Yeah.
I roll up on the strip, I keep the 40 on the D-Lo. Mind blown, iPhone, traffic in the kilo. Played a bitch in Vegas and made her take me to Reno. Hung up on my P.O. Motherfucking C.O.
The first thing I do when I get to LA is go get the dope. We go straight to the dope, man. Get the dope. That's first thing first. You like to have Ciroc, Newports, weed, Molly. These candles are just they shit. I don't mind it, you know what I'm saying? I like my studio is actually brighter than this, you know what I'm saying? I like my shit bright so that way it helped me stay up, you know what I'm saying? It won't be so bright, like, it helped me keep going, you know what I'm saying? When I feel like I'm going against the clock, then I'll use my phone, but you know what I'm saying? Like, if I'm in the studio that I can live at for about a week, then I love to go with pen and pad because I feel like I write better when I write with my hand. Even real niggas get tired, you know? Real niggas get tired too, you know what I'm saying? No bullshit. No, and they say what don't kill you make you stronger. Well, I can't hurt much longer. I'm in it to win it for my mother. I lie, I die for my brother. Cause it's death over dishonor. Fuck the feds, motherfucking honor. Fuck a lawyer, I got cash. Fuck a sales, throw the money in the bag. I didn't know he was recording me. I was hoping he was. He's my friend. My original way of rapping, like from when I first started rapping, was writing it down. So I always love to write my lyrics down. I feel like it makes it 10 times better. Look, all I wanna know is who I'm fucking tonight. Or is it you? I'm fat fool. I'm what it do. I'm fucking her. And her too. And after me, hey, they fuck the crew. Hey, that bitch gon' get that bitch. Fuck my whip, she can use my dick. She see my click, we filthy rich. She work the pole, she super thick. I'm in the studio, I don't really come in with a specific sound. I just like to go through with what I got or go through with what I'm working with. I like working with all people, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter because I know what I'm gonna do when I get in the studio. What they do is how they go about doing it, you know what I'm saying? But I know what's gonna happen when I get in there, so it don't matter how it comes, you know what I'm saying? Boy, athletes and teachers and threesome under the bleachers. I like to sing, first of all. I like to sing. I'm a singing motherfucker, but I can't sing on the track, you know what I'm saying? I just can't see myself doing it. I don't know why. I'm what it do. I'm fucking her. This is the all-time motivation. This is what I always talk about. This is what my mother first told me to get when I first started rapping. She was like, get a Grammy. But when I definitely 100% didn't know what a Grammy was. Let's see how we gonna play that song. Yeah. Two. We gonna see how we gonna play this one right here. Tryna be up for it. Shit. I like the sound of this shit right here too. It remind me of having sex with Erykah Badu. With all candles lit, no light. What you like? Hey, rolling my weed. This is what I want for the team. This shit is huge and it's real, you know what I'm saying? And it's a big token of appreciation. You have to satisfy a lot of people to get that. I know I'm the shit. They call me Fat Trel. You know, if you're a football player in college, you want the Heisman. If you're a point guard in the NBA, you want the MVP and you want Finals MVP because you want a ring. You know what I'm saying? So I want a Grammy. Spray up the prom. How I get it, live it how it's written. And for the hood, I want a BET award. Don't matter what it is, that's for the hood. I'm gonna take one BET. I'm gonna take a couple BET awards back to the hood, a couple MTV joints, but to take it to my mother, I'm gonna take a Grammy to my mother. All my bitches love the word.
perfect. Fucking nurses, you worthless.
Girl, I go slang that pole, and I'ma put it on ya. And you know what you doing. And you want me to put this dick up on ya.
Her skin soft, that's some good lotion. And you know I stroked, and she let me poke it. And the beat gone, but the beat not open.